What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Those of you guys that watched the last video, you guys saw a little snippet of what happened to the Q, and today I'm gonna talk about it. So the Q is out of commission. As you guys can see, my bumper is cooked, completely gone. The lip, part of the lip is gone. At least we know the lip was on pretty good. And also the part of the side skirt right here is gone. And I'm assuming a little line of the washer reservoir thing is ripped because there's no water, and I keep getting that light on the dash. So what happened that caused this to happen? I cannot make this up, bro. I ran over a piece of, I think, tire. It's so dark out, I couldn't see it until it was in front of my face, bro. My bumper's done. Look at my bumper, bro. So, long story short, I'm dropping off my girl. I'm getting off on the exit. It's super dark. As I'm driving, I just see like a big piece of what looked to be like a pop tire from a semi just in the middle of the lane. By the time I saw it and I wanted to react, there was just no time, no space. So I yanked the steering wheel to the right, and I still ended up running it over right here. That's why only this is messed up, not the rest of the bumper. I just got it on the literally on the corner. So if I would have reacted probably like half a second earlier, I probably would have missed it. But I also probably would have got close to the guardrail, so I don't know if I would have hit that. So I mean, it is what it is. I guess I'm not too upset. It could have been worse, but I will need a new bumper. So if by any chance somebody has this color Q50 bumper, sport bumper, 14 to 17 with the sensor holes, and you're selling it, let me know, but I doubt it. I'm probably gonna order it off of Z1 Motorsports. It's only like $400 or $450, something like that. So it's not too bad, but then I gotta paint it and whatnot. So I might just wrap the car instead of just painting the bumper. Pay a little bit more, wrap the whole car. I don't know yet, but it sucks, bro. Like, you guys know that I've been wanting to sell this car. I've been playing with the idea, but that day and the day before, I don't know if it's because I hadn't driven it in so long. I was actually really liking it. I was like planning new things in my head to do to it, like keeping it a little longer, changing up the wheels, doing this, doing that, and then that happened. But it's all good. I mean, just a little speed bump in the road. Not a big deal, I guess. I'm just happy that nothing else happened. It was just like a little, the bumper's done, but I mean, it could have been worse when you think about it. But that's what happened. And today we're gonna be washing this thing because you guys know we took the wrap off last video. The car's pretty dirty, and there's like glue in certain spots, so I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it down, clean it up, and yeah, see what else we get into today. Because as of right now, this is my only car. I'm not driving this thing, so. You guys hear that exhaust leak? Trash. Damn, bro, she's cold today. So there's like the glue that I'm talking about. I'll probably just do this before I wash it, and then I'm sure like the microfiber glove or whatever you call it, we'll take the rest of it off. Damn, look at that nail polish. I'm telling you, bro, from far you can't tell. It's only if you like get super close to it. Shoot, not bad for a DIY free fix. You feel me? Honestly, the paint is not bad. It can use like a little buff or a little paint correction, but I might do it, might not. I don't really care to because I am going to wrap it soon. So yeah, there's just glue everywhere on the hatch. Alright guys, we're all done. Car's all cleaned up. Car's looking not clapped anymore. Looking pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. This black cleans up super nice. What do you guys think? Should we just leave it black? Damn, look at this mirror. Literally a mirror. What do you guys think? Should we leave it black? Nah. Actually, I'll probably leave it for a little bit, but I'm definitely not gonna leave it black. The color I have in mind is gonna go so sick on this car. I'm just not sure if I want to keep the front TEs because I'm not sure how well the color will go with red. But I mean, I'm not gonna change the interior, so it's gonna have to go with red. But I feel like if I get some double press black TEs in the front, it'll be better. Or maybe just throw these back on the Z and get new wheels for this one. Some Hot Boy wheels for this one. I don't know yet. I'm still on the fence about that, but for now, I'm pretty content with the setup. Murdered out. It looks nice and sleek. Bro, I'm such an idiot. I'm so used to always bringing down the window whenever I get in the car. And I brought it down and I just washed it.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is now the next day from the last clip you guys just saw. Brought the Z out because I'm gonna jack this car up and see if there's any other damage from the car that I don't know about. I think I said this yesterday. When I hit the tire or whatever, my dash started blinking. That I had low washer fluid or whatever it's called, the tank for the windshield wipers. Checked under the car like just by with my hand, and it felt like the tank was normal. So I'm assuming one of the lines just ripped off. And I also lost what I think was a fender liner. And yeah, I'm gonna see if there's any other damage. All right then. Well, this shit starts worse than the freaking Z sometimes. Man, the Z's looking super good with this black now. Makes me not want to wrap it, bro. Or at least rock this and look for a while. People are saying to paint correct it. Yeah, I want to, but I don't really see a point of doing that. Like, I'm gonna wrap it soon. But if I decide to keep it a little longer, I probably would, to be honest. Poor car, bro. I didn't even get to wash it when I got back from Mexico. It happened, I think, like the next day. I think it happened the same day I started driving it, or the next day after that. I didn't even get to wash it. Shit is so cooked, bro. It was funny. I showed my dad the day after it happened, and he was like, "Did you keep the piece? Maybe we could put it back on, bro." That bumper's so cooked. Moment of truth. Let's see what else messed up. Oh, I did crack. Yeah, so the whole tank is messed up. So it was my fender liner, as I thought. Everything else looks pretty normal, from what I can see at least. Thankfully my fog light is good, bro. That's one thing I was grateful for when I saw that it was still working. Yeah, everything else, it looks pretty normal. Yeah, so it's just a little tank. Lucky for me, I don't know if it'll fit, and I don't even know if I still have it, but I took mine off the Z. Oh, it's right there. I literally just saw it. I wonder if I'm sure it'll fit. Lucky for me, I literally have this off my Z. That's so funny. I'm pretty sure it'll fit. It should fit. It's pretty much the same car, essentially, or so I hope. So yeah, so right now, the bumper needs to get replaced, the lip, and now the side skirt, because this little piece is missing. Oh man, I should have just stayed home that night, to be honest. Well, there's that. This car's gonna be sitting for a little bit. This will be my daily for the meanwhile. Can't complain, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually gonna pick up the homie Panda from work a little later and hit to the gym, so I'll probably bring you guys along with this. He's probably gonna trip out when he sees me pick him up in this car. He's probably gonna think or expect me to be in my mom's car or something. Made it here to pick up Panda, and there's some pretty bad speed bumps here. Ouch. Ouch, bro. The things I do for you, bro. Oh my god. I'm not going all the way back there, though. You're tripping. You could walk this happy ass over here.
Look over here? And I didn't think it was you. I forgot you took off your wrap.
I just picked this up from the airport.
What happened? Thanks for picking me up. I'll sex you up later.
Ready? Let's go gap nobody with this exhaust leak. Not too bad. Not too bad.
And I'll tell you, I'm the master low king here.
Bro, what are you talking? I got nothing going on for content, so I'm bringing you guys along to the gym with us. Listen to the vlog, bro. I'm a gym vlogger now.
Huh?
I'm a gym vlogger now.
Sick ass one.
What are you gonna hit today? We're doing chest, by the way.
Yeah.
What are you gonna hit? How
I'm
much?
gonna attempt to PR today.
Which is what?
You PR shit. What is it? 250? No, 265 or 275.
Is that you?
I'll match your weight, whatever you want. I'm gonna try to hip thrust 600 pounds.
That boy's feeling a little confident today. Finally, after like 4 hours, we got a bench. Are you gonna match me?
Yeah, of course.
Keep that energy, my boy.
Hello. What the?
You mind telling the chat where Panda's at?
Huh?
You mind telling the chat where Panda's at right now?
Panda is taking a shit.
Oh, about time. You got your wife?
Tell me why I reach for my good wife. I'm not gonna be lying and carrying more of my cards in my bag, but I'm going back onto the floor.
Right there?
Yeah, I carry Pokemon cards.
I don't even know what to say.
So what do you carry?
They all fail?
Yes, I reached for my good wife and then like knocked them out and they fell on the floor and I picked them up clean. Homie carries Pokemon cards in his backpack.
Alright, this is Eric. 225. This one actually got stronger. He's showing off for the vlog. There you go. Come on, you got it, you got it, you got it. Let's go. You got stronger. It's all those tamales over the holidays.
Yep. Why'd you look like you struggled with an Eric?
I did more reps than him.
Oh, did you? My bad. I better shut up because I'm only probably doing like 1 or 2 right now.
See? I feel like everybody got stronger. Alright guys, this is my PR, but after a 2-week vacation, I kind of dropped here. So let's see if I can do this. I was doing it last week, but I for sure got a little weaker with it.
You better be able to do it. If not, I have no hope for myself.
I used to do that shit like nothing.
You used to hit 2 plates 35, sir.
Damn, it's all those tamales and pozole for holidays. Alright, I'm back. Let's see what Eric does.
Factor cap. It's
Wait.
a factor cap that I hit 2 plates 25. You wanna see how I hit it?
Yeah.
The ending. I gotta listen to the ending.
This shit's not focusing, bro. Whatever.
Up. Let's go. I had it. I gave up last minute. I'm gonna try it again.
Yeah, we're already. We're cooked already.
You only went halfway through?
You go to the restroom real quick?
Huh?
You go to the restroom real quick?
What?
Show them how you do it.
Yeah.
Alright, chat. I'm pretty cooked, so instead of going heavy, we're going to do a little drop set. Like you do. This weight is your ex's new man's warm-up weight.
Let's go.
Alright, campeón junior. Good lord. That's all good. He's still at least moving it. Could have went lower, but not bad. Not bad. So did that little comment help you?
Maybe.
Alright, I didn't record the rest of the workout, but finishing it with some cardio.
What happened?
You look like a down ass with that beanie on for real.
I am hooked.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I'm slip. My socks.
Alright guys, we made it back home, thankfully. It's always a blessing to make it home when in the race car, but that's pretty much going to conclude today's video, guys. My bad if it was all over the place. Honestly, don't really have that much content for you guys right now, but I did want to update you guys on this car and also just bring you guys a video. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.